So they are going to continue producing the trucks. They already have the full-size trucks. So that is Chevy Silverado EV, the GMC Sierra EV full-size truck, and the GMC Hummer. Oh, and the Escalade IQ. They're going to continue producing what they've already made. These are like $100,000 electric trucks that have absolutely enormous batteries, like 200 plus kilowatt hours. They all use that same massive battery pack. They had planned the research and development of the next generation of these full-size all-electric trucks, but apparently they put that on an indefinite hold. What they are investigating, though, is range-extended vehicles, which comes as a shock to nobody.
Nobody that's been paying attention, at least.
Yeah. They recently announced over $1 billion in investment toward internal combustion engine production. So GM's been producing that new small block. It's going in the Corvette. They're revamping the engine that's going in their full-size trucks. They've had a lot of issues with that 6.2. They've got enough irons in the fire already with internal combustion to keep them busy. I just don't think they care so much about, at least for this size, the full-size electric trucks.
Where was the first place you guys saw one of these? Do you remember? I remember exactly where I was.
It was right outside my neighborhood.
Really?
Yeah, I saw it at O'Reilly's, of all places.
I saw it in a Target parking lot in Kailua, on Oahu. And I was like, how'd you get it here?
It's got to be like one of two on the island.
How did it not sink the ship that it came over on?
How did you get it? I remember I called you. I was like, dude, look what's in the parking lot. Oahu's not exactly known for its space, So 60% of the cars on that island are Toyota Tacomas. Toyota Tacomas, and then the other 40% are 4Runners. Like, there's almost nothing else.
Yeah. So the Orion assembly plant, which was intended to expand their EV production, is being repurposed for just regular old internal combustion full-size trucks.
Yeah, I mean, they've been out for a couple of years. They have the longest range of any full-size trucks. And I don't see any more of them than I see Cybertrucks. I see more Cybertrucks than I see Silverado EVs.
Well, publicly, GM is saying that they still believe in an all-electric future, but that future may not be coming as soon as they thought it might.
We believe in it, but we believe in it the way we believe in Santa Claus.
Yeah.
I believe in an all-chrome feature, a la SpongeBob, when Squidward. The plant grows and the guy comes up and like spray paints it chrome. Yeah. I don't even know if this is in the same class of vehicle as a Cybertruck, though, honestly. Like, this is a whole other type of thing.
Well, this is the Cybertruck plus a Model 3 in weight.
This is the Hummer specifically is kind of in its own segment, which is perfect because the H2 was in its own segment as well. And it was just pure, unabashed American excess. Damn the consequences. It's got 200 kilowatt hours. It weighs as much as a medium-sized semi.
Yeah, it's a recession indicator. That's
Yeah.
Yeah. The only place I think I've ever seen a truck one was in Moab. I don't think
I've seen them around here.
The electric one?
Yeah, I almost exclusively see the SUVs.
I've seen several of both.
Yeah, I couldn't tell you which one I've seen more.
Yeah, same.